How to download GTA San Andreas. Welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's get started to this easy tutorial. To download your GTA, all you have to do is open up your Steam. Make sure that you are logged in into your Steam account. If you do not have a Steam, go ahead and make sure to download one. Next, in the search bar, you need to go ahead and search for GTA San Andreas. It will suggest you with some of the GTA version that you can download through your Steam. Select on the GTA San Andreas. Since it is age appropriate, you need to enter your birth date and you must be above 18 for this. Once you have confirmed your age, you'll be redirected to this page. So in here, it will give you a bunch of description about the gaming. Then you'll be able to select the add to cart option to download in your PC. Mind it, it will cost you a fee to download in your PC. As you can see, it can cost you about $45. Once you tap on the download option, after a complete payment, you'll be able to enjoy GTA in your PC. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.